IKO ball tutorial, the C major roll-ups, part 1. Enter your IKO, legs through the diamonds to the far away horizontal bar, grab the nearby horizontal bar and walk your sit bones backwards.
A very functional movement. Hip walking.
Keep walking. Now, lengthen the legs. Hold on to the horizontal bar and just roll back slightly over your sit bones. Do that several times. At some point, you're going to go all the way over the sit bones.
90 elbow walk.
The lowest vertebrae. Not yet.
90-degree elbow walk, rock.
Here we go. Each time a little bit further. And again. Here we go. Oh, right there.
Whoa, it just changed.
See, I told you. Now we lengthen more through the legs. We go back another vertebrae by vertebrae, rolling back, able to control the descent with the strength used through our arms to lightly grip. Still staying connected. Still staying connected. As we go down. Here we go, let's go all the way down. Roll the shoulders slowly, we release down. Ooh, take a breath in. Now, pelvis comes under. Yeah. We roll all the way down. Brings us up, push out. The antithesis of the recoil now to extend and release. Building up that elastic recoil, we take that one all the way down, building it, here we go. Bend the knees slightly, press out. That establishes a new true length. Down vertebrae by vertebrae, release the head, push through the toe of the heels and watch this recoil bring you up. All the way over, push out, establishing the recoil now at the other end, bring it in. It's all about elasticity. Legs together, feel those inner thighs really pulling up and singing. And here we go. Some little pulses while we're still activated in the abdominal core cavity. Deeper, 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 until it'll sometime bring you up again. Reversing the arc at the top. Breath in, roll down. Getting so deep in that core area, right along the spine. It's beginning to rock. The legs are beginning to come off the ground. All the pressure is beginning to build up. The fluidity is getting a stronger pulse. Go to the horizontal verticals. I'm sorry, the vertical verticals. And the legs, here we go. Told you, Navasana. Navasana coming up. Extend those legs. Oh, up over the sit bones. Look at that. Glorious.